How to hard reset iPhone. If your iPhone is acting up, freezing, or just isn't responding, a hard reset can often solve the problem. In today's video, I'll show you how to hard reset your iPhone. Before we get started, it's important to note that a hard reset should only be used when your iPhone is completely unresponsive, as it forces the device to restart. It doesn't erase any data, but if you're having minor issues with freezing or apps crashing, a hard reset can be a quick solution. The method for hard resetting your iPhone depends on the model you have. So let's get over the steps for different models if you're unsure which model you have. The steps I show will cover the most common iPhones. For iPhone 8 and newer models, including the iPhone SE, follow the steps. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button. Now press and hold the slide button until the Apple logo appears on the screen. This may take about 10 to 15 seconds. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, the process is a little bit different. Here's what you can do. Simply press and hold both the volume down button and the sleep wake button at the same time for about 10 to 15 seconds until the Apple logo appears. Once you've done this, your iPhone will restart and the Apple logo should appear. Give it a few seconds to reboot and you should be good to go. After your iPhone restarts, you should notice that it's more responsive. Your app settings and data won't be affected, but the hard reset helps fix temporary software issues like freezing, app crashes, or sluggish performance. And that's how you hard reset your iPhone. It's a simple process that can fix a lot of